fuck are you doing?
I don't know what sound. I don't know what sound eagles make.
I don't fucking know either. Shit.
Birds are basically dinosaurs.
They really are. They really are. I mean,
Birds are dinosaurs.
Can't disagree with that.
Listen, they're the. If you can fly, I look up to you.
Yeah, I mean, you have no other option.
Also, it's an eagle.
Yes.
Merica.
I feel like that's one of those fucking zombies from The Last of Us on the PS4.
Anyway.
Go stand in the corner and think about the decisions you made in your life.
I've never played it.
God, it's so good. Anyway,
welcome back.
Another great, exciting, episode of
Two Guys,
One Garage. And we've been looking for this beer for a minute.
But the second it came out, I sent him. I was like, "Yo,
you knew it was out before it was out,
right? Before it even hit shelves."
Yeah, he knew it. He fucking knew it.
I said, Mahoney, boom, it's Yuengling, and don't get me wrong. And
you hate mangoes?
This is where things are going to take a little bit of a turn here.
Yes.
Not a fan of mango. Loves mango. Not a fan. Loves them.
But once again, we've told y'all many times.
We have very different palates.
Very different. But before we jump into this,
yes,
real quick, we're getting super close to shaving the heads and beards and everything to raise money for St. Baldrick's. The link will be down in the description. Please donate anything you can, even if it's only a fucking $1.
Shit, it could be a quarter at this point.
A penny. It doesn't matter, man. Just try to help, man. These kids, they need it, man. They deserve a chance at living a full life. But anyway,
with that being said,
let's jump into
these beers don't deserve a full life. Now,
no, they don't.
So here's the thing. And look, even on Beer Advocate, you see it's in a 24-ounce can. Nobody has 12 packs or 6. It's just 24-ounce cans.
So I go to a specific spot to get my beers. And
Shout
I've
out.
been asking,
Metro. Shout out.
Straight up Metro, y'all the shit. For, what, 6 weeks probably? I'm like, dude, you got to get this beer. You got to get this beer. You got to get this beer.
Gotta have it. Gotta have it.
So my wife goes in there today just to get, I think she needed like a Bang Energy or some shit. And the dude literally runs from behind the counter, comes out with two of these. He's like, I've had them.
He didn't realize
that they were only in 24-ounce beers, and he just put it with all the other flavored fucking beers.
Right.
So
he was wrong.
So I had to send my wife back because I need at least 4. I mean, at least 4.
You gotta have 2 more.
So, but anyway.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, Raging Eagle by Yuengling, mango flavor.
Let's go, baby.
6% ABV. The style is fruit and field beer.
Fruit and field beer.
No, that just means at some point in time during the process.
They add
the fruit to
it.
It doesn't matter where in the process. It just was added during the process. As we all know. Where's it from?
Pottsville, Pennsylvania, baby.
Damn right.
Oldest brewery in America. And I've been a little hesitant on this beer. Because, goddamn it, do I love you? I should have worn my Yuengling hat.
You should have, but point out why you wore the hat.
So, I don't know if we can zoom in on that.
Yeah, I'll figure it out later.
Toyota Vero Beach. I don't know if you know anything about bare knuckle fighting championship. But right here, local guy.
Yep.
Dat win. Just won, championship.
He wearing that medal. He wearing that medal.
Matter of fact, I got some pictures with him with the belt.
We'll show you those too.
Throw them up.
We'll show you those.
Local guy, Dat beat Dat. If you're wondering.
But anyway, got a score of
3.34.
I did not expect that. I expected a little higher.
Which is why now I'm even more nervous.
It's all good
because I don't want to put my beer.
I know.
Down.
Wait,
like
were you
that.
talking about the average of the score there? That was the average.
That's the average. 3.34.
What was the score?
79. Which is labeled as okay.
Now we have 13 ratings and 7 reviews.
Right.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
It's available year round now, I guess.
Oh, it's year round.
Yeah,
it's not a one-off.
It's not a one-off.
I figured this would be a one-off like the Hershey's Porter, but I don't know if that is either.
I don't think that was a one-off. It was a seasonal.
But I just seen it at the gas station the other day. Anyway.
All right. Well, so pick your season. That's the seasonal.
Yuengling, figure it out.
And you see what I'm drinking over here?
Yep.
Before it even starts, Yuengling.
Nobody wants it and nobody got it.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either.
I don't believe it.
Because I wanted it and I got
And I
some.
got it. So
And there's no notes to this beer here.
no notes. But you know what? Listen, we all know legends need no introduction.
Exactly, it's Jiggly.
It's Yuengling.
So let's go ahead and grab one of these bad
Let's
boys.
pull one of these babies back here.
Now, I know y'all can't tell now, but my wife actually frosted the mugs for us.
They were frosted.
Yeah, I mean, you can probably
We're in
see
a very hot garage.
Yeah, it's a bit
well,
warm.
with the fans off and the AC off.
Well, it's that time of year, too, where it's just going to get hotter and hotter.
Well,
I can smell it from here, bro.
can you?
I can smell it from here. It smells good as fuck to me.
Oh my god. Oh no.
When they said mango, bro, they were not fucking around.
Yeah. Absolutely.
I do like.
There's not a whole lot going on. I mean, the Eagle.
I do like
love
the
it.
Eagle just coming in. That's straight fucking American as you can
Beer
be.
with natural mango flavor. That's all they needed.
Yep, 6% alcohol by volume, and that's all they need. They kept the can simple, clean. But guess what? That's what America's about. Being simple. Come here for the dream.
Just getting the job done.
Just come here, get the job done.
But yeah, dude, smell.
This is gonna be a super light beer. I feel like.
Mango.
I feel like it's gonna be a super light beer.
Let's get to the pour here.
Yep. Oh, it's not as light as I thought.
It's still pretty light.
I'm not gonna fill mine because I want to get that little swish to it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like that adds to it. Wait. Is there a hole in your can?
I think so. What the fuck?
Oh, dude. Yeah, that's light, especially for a Yuengling.
Dude, we all know what Yuengling looks like.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get.
That's not it.
Oh, look at that, bro. I think I might be getting it.
Yeah, like this.
I'm not going as fast as you, but I'm getting it. One of these days.
Oh boy, the fragrance.
It smells good, bro.
It smells good.
Smells so good.
But like I was telling you
bro.
earlier, for some reason, mangoes to me just have like this perfumey flavor.
Oh my god, yeah, that's straight mango, and it smells just so good to me.
Yuengling, I love you.
Yep, I love the fuck out of you.
And well,
I love you like the anal explorer. You'd have to be there earlier today.
the anal wrangler.
Yes.
Angle?
Well, sometimes you gotta hit it differently.
Right. Well, it depends on who and how yours is. Anyway, let's just
Dive in, bro. Dude, the mango. The mango is fucking there.
mango's right there in your face.
Dude, it's right there, bro. Like, that's
Wow.
insane.
Okay, hold on.
Go ahead. Try it again. Because I'm a little shocked with how you're acting on wanting to get back in on it.
Wow. All right. So, for me, right, because we've talked about it.
Because you fucking hate mango.
Don't like mango. But, like you said, with the natural flavor of
Yes.
the mango, right?
Yes,
it
the
doesn't
natural.
taste like an artificial mango.
No, and like that's what I get a lot from like.
But it also tastes like a beer.
But think at the same time, like I get Czech. For those of y'all who ain't from Florida and know
Czech,
Winn Dixie
baby?
and shit,
Or the dog
that
Czech.
peach mango. Yeah, the
Hold
dog
on.
Czech. The dog. Why you gotta bring that up right now, bro? Now I want some motherfucking wins. It's a good beer. It's solid.
God damn it, Yuengling. And look, it's way lighter than a Yuengling.
Oh,
right?
bro, that's like a fucking Bud Light color almost.
Don't you dare.
Almost.
Disrespect.
I said
Yuengling
almost.
in such a way.
Go cry me a river.
I did. Why next to a river? No, that's a different video.
Oh. But no.
You like that?
Yeah, I like how you did that. But no, that's a solid fucking beer. I am shocked with how light that is and how much of... Yeah, you do get the mango, but there is a beer flavor.
Right. So it's not just like these seltzers that are.
Oh, yeah, no. They don't taste like beer at all.
Man.
Let's get some mango. Fuck off.
No.
It tastes like
No,
artificial.
this is a beer that just so happens to taste like a mango.
Thank you. And it's not an IPA where you're getting this hopsy ass shit. And
I'm confused because
They're solid.
We saw on Beer Advocate, Yuengling has done an IPA. They've done these,
and they're all retired.
They're retired, not retarded. Anyway,
They might have been.
could be.
I mean,
Are
would you drink enough?
Are we? We could.
Debatable.
Yeah.
Debatable.
Yeah. Yeah.
But no, this is a good solid
because
beer.
here's my thing. Because Yuengling also has Yuengling Flight, which is like a Michelob
Ultra.
which I'm not gonna drink it.
I feel like I'm going to add something. Right
Should we drink it? I don't know. Ultron? I don't know.
I was thinking more Killer Instinct.
Oh shit.
Ultra!
If you are an old school gamer,
SNES Killer Instinct was the best. Anyway, no, this beer, it's shockingly
I
surprising.
gotta be honest, man.
It's shockingly surprising.
It's shockingly surprising.
But yet again, when you have an eagle on the can just yelling at you, once again,
is that a pterodactyl? Is that a pterodactyl? Listen,
Yeah.
Birds are dinosaurs.
Anyway.
Birds are dinosaurs.
we need y'all actually to let us know how y'all make your fucking eagles
Yeah.
sound.
Send
It'd
me
be
a
the most
vid-
American thing you ever did in your life, most likely.
Eagles, America. Dinosaurs,
Zombies.
America.
Zombies.
Yeah.
That's all I can think
What
of.
about zombie dino? Anyway,
Oh, dude.
send us a
Is
video
that
of
how
you doing.
they-
I don't even. What is an eagle's? I think it's a little higher pitch.
It's super high. Like,
If you, but the thing
if
is,
you can do that, let us know.
if you can fly, I love you.
Oh, bro.
But remember, it's not just an eagle; it's a raging eagle.
Yeah,
So
you better have a boner when
you
that
gotta be.
happens. You better have a fucking boner while that's
You
going
better
on.
have a full chub.
I'm not talking regular boner either. I want you to take like 2 Viagras and see a doctor in 4 hours.
Yeah.
That's what I want to see.
I don't want.
I don't want to see the boner. I
don't
just
wanna
want
see
to
that.
see that raging just. What the fuck? Where are we going with this?
Well, what I know is this:
What do you know?
not a fan of mango,
No.
and we talked about it before, right?
Yes.
So I was like,
Yes.
listen, Yuengling, it's my people. I love them to death, but I will not be biased
No. You can't
to
be.
Yuengling just
Can be.
because it's
Can
Yuengling.
be.
I will give you a score based off the
100%.
taste, no matter who brews it
Yep.
or what you think.
Does not matter. But
I'm giving you a real score.
yeah. So
Be real.
I feel like I need a little sip in here.
Well, and then
Those
after
last
that,
ones,
it's
just
a
hit it
little
with that
zigzaggy, zigzaggy. Oh, didn't change for me. Still just as good.
Exactly. No, there's not a whole lot.
And I'm
And it's a
I'm
light
a little
beer.
surprised. That's what I was getting into. Yuengling to me has always been a little bit. It's a lager.
It's got a little weight to it.
This doesn't have that, and I'm very surprised.
No.
But I'm not disappointed.
No, not at all. And that's
And I
what's
love
crazy.
that.
I love mango, but like I said, I feel like there was going to be like an artificial mango
Right.
to make it happen.
Like
it
mango
says-
flavoring.
It says right here, beer
with
with
natural
natural
mango.
mango flavors. It didn't say a natural flavor.
At this point, I
It didn't
believe
say,
it.
it didn't say
Right, well, because
flavoring.
natural flavorings
Could be
is in
anything.
everything.
But no, they straight up pointed out it's beer with natural mango.
Let's get her out of the can.
I appreciate that.
and this, I still.
Yeah, I don't have to put it up. I've been able to smell it the whole fucking time. No.
Okay. Yes.
No.
Here's my thing. It's a little more full and maybe robust
I get what you're saying.
out of the can. I think because once it gets aerated,
Yeah, it
poured,
gets
aerated.
to breathe more, gets to allow things to mix together more. I get that.
I'm not saying it tastes better out of the can. I'm just saying it's more full.
I can agree with that.
More full.
And that's how she likes it.
She better.
She loves it.
But yeah, just as good as the can, as the sip, as the Ziggy Zaggy.
It is. Like, they're all pretty comparable, but I will agree with you on that. It's definitely more full
More
here.
like more robust.
Yeah, like you get more of...
Robust.
But yet again, with that Ziggy Zaggy,
It's very light.
I got more of the beer first.
Right, and
then
then
the
mango
came in.
Here, I
Here?
get the mango.
But it's not as hard biting
It's
as
not
it
overwhelming.
was
It's not
when
overwhelming.
we poured it. When we poured it, I feel like that was more mango, just like wham. This one is just like, all right, there's mango.
Sorry. This is a burp.
What do you apologize?
Oh, another one. What is this? Is the burp hour?
This is we're trying to create a new sympathy caused by burps.
It's the burp hour.
Don't let them know the whole song.
Oh, we have a whole
Calm
thing going
down over there.
Now,
That's
all right,
solid. It's solid. I'm shocked.
I'm going straight into a score, and I have to be honest. A 3.7.
3?
3.7.
Wow, you're
Not
above-
what I, because you like mango.
And
He likes mango. I don't like mango.
Yeah, and you're above my score. That's
Stop.
no. I had a 3.52 all day right there.
Wow.
Yeah, bro.
You know what?
3.7?
3.7, dude. I'm not. Yeah, no bullshit. Wow. Yeah.
I love mango.
Yeah.
They did
Yeah.
do that to me.
Yeah. And I have no problem.
I'm just gonna stare at this can the rest of the video. Unless I hear that noise, and it's gonna trigger, little Tourette's
Anyway.
in there,
I think that's a pretty good review there.
That was a solid review. But I can say.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shh. Just a reminder.
Dat. What do you know about
Bare
Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship? So, local guy, right? Toyota Vero Beach, may or may not work there. I don't. They sponsored him, got his autograph. He just won the belt. Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
So there's
I cannot
that.
wait to shave all this shit off, bro. I can't even drink a beer without
Getting some kind of.
Bro, you see me earlier today drink
You drank a lemonade?
Chick-fil-A.
All right, and now there's pulp in this lemonade. All
Right here.
right on his fucking.
It was like a fucking filter. It was fucked up. Which pisses me off because that's my favorite part of lemonade. So I mean,
It's not mine. I hate pulp.
you're
When it comes to orange juice, lemonade,
who has the best-
when it comes
Who has the best-
fiction,
who has
I
the best
don't
lemonade?
even like Pulp Fiction. Huh?
who has the
No, I
best
do. That's
lemonade?
one of the greatest movies ever made. Best lemonade,
Yeah,
the best lemonade
yeah,
of all time.
yeah.
Country Time.
You were. I'm one.
Are you saying it's Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, it's far better than Country Time.
Hey guys, thanks for coming in.
He's quitting again.
Well, yeah, no. We have to go because he's clearly out of his mind.
No, Country Time ain't got no pulp
Country
in it, bro.
Time?
Ain't got no pulp in it.
I don't like pulp.
Anyway, remember, donate if you can. I know it's hard times right now. Like, share, subscribe, comment, give us suggestions, all that bullshit. Beat the fucking shit out of that notification bell. And what does it say right here?
Is this a Miller?
It says titties.
Oh, well. Oh, I got those.
Those titties say.
But you know what these titties say?
Fuck off!
I hate pulp.